Good afternoon everyone. Today we will be doing question number 7. Mrs. Joshi has organized a picnic for all the members of her society. 578 members came for the picnic. She orders biscuits, sweets and chips for the members. So A part is there are 389 packets of biscuits in a carton. How many more packets are needed if each member has to be given one packet? So firstly we have to find how many members are there. So as you can see that 578 members are there for the picnic, and we are having total number of 389 packets of the biscuits, and we need to distribute one packet to each member. Okay, so members are 578 whereas our biscuit packet is only 389. आपको दिख रहा है कि members ज़्यादा है और packets कम है. अब हमें कितने और how many more packets do we need so that we can give each packet one biscuit packet to each person. Okay, for that what you will do, 578 you will subtract 389 from 578. So firstly we have to write the statement here. Numbers of members 578, number of biscuit packets is 389. Number of more packets needed so that everybody can get one packet each. So for that what you will do is 578 minus 389. 8 minus 9 not possible, we will borrow 1, so it will become 18. 18 minus 9 will be 9. As we have given borrowed here, so that's why it will remain 6, but 8 cannot be subtracted from 6, so we will borrow 1 from here, so it will become 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. Now 4 is left here. 4 minus 3 is 1. So 189 more biscuits. Everyone, you can make the last statement by using third statement. So here 189 the answer we will write. So word likhkar 189 more biscuit packet will be needed to distribute each member. Okay. So the second part that we have done is there are 800 sweets in a box. Would there be any sweets left if members are given one piece each? As you know that how many sweets are there? 800 sweets are there. But we are having 578 members only. Okay, so when we are giving one sweet to each person, it means that yes, as sweets are more, so it means yes that we will be left with some of the pieces. Then we have to tell, firstly you have to tell whether it will be left or not. Okay, बचेंगे कि नहीं बचेंगे, then we have to tell how many, कितनी बचेंगी. So 800 minus 578, then only you will get that how many sweets are left. Okay, this is your homework. C part, there are 600 packets of chips. Can the members be given 2 packets chips each? There are only 600 packets and 578 members are there. So firstly we will check that how many packets are left of chips, so that we can see that whether we can give 2 packets to everyone. Okay. So now we will make first statement here. Number of members 578. Number of chips packets. Number of chips packet is 600. Okay. So now we will see that how many chips are left. Chips packets are left. So 600 minus 578. I hope that you know that the bigger number we write first and then the smaller number. So 600 minus 578. Okay. You will subtract. So 0 minus 8 not possible, we will borrow. Here also 0, so we will borrow from here. So this will become 10, this will become 10. Then if this number gives, so it will become 9 and this will become 10. 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 7 is 2, 5 minus 5 is 0. So as you can see that only 22 chips packet is left. If we are giving one packet to everybody, only 22 chips packets will be left. So it is not possible to give 2 packets to each member, obviously, because we are only having 22. We need more packet. 578 more packets we need na again if we want to distribute it. So that's why it will not be possible. Okay, now the next question of exercise 4.2, subtract the numbers and verify the results. We have done the same type of question with 3 digits. Now we are doing with 4 digits. Okay, so now how you will manage this question? You have to subtract this number. You have to subtract this number and then you will be able to do it. Okay, so now the first question, first number is 6956 minus 3832. 3832. So we will subtract now. 6 minus 3 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. 9 minus 8 is 1, 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay, so now as you can see that 6 minus 3 is 3, 5 minus 2 is 3, 9 minus 8 is 1, 6 minus 3 is 3. Now we will write this number. Okay, this number I have already written here, second number here. Now we will write this number here, 3 1. This we call difference. Okay, so now difference we will write 3 1 3 3. So now we have to add, or we have to add this number so that we can get this number. So 3 3 6, 2 plus 3 5, 8 plus 1 9, 3 plus 3 6. So now 6 9 5 6 is the answer. As you can see, this is matching with this, so it means that you have done it correct. Okay, now we will move to next question. 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus 0 is 0, 9 minus 4 is 5, 7 minus 6 is 1. Okay, so we have got this difference. As you can see, the second number we have written here. So now I will write 1 5 0 1. Okay, you have to add now. For verification you have to add. So now 1 0, 4 plus 5 9, 6 plus 1 7. As you can see that you have got the same number here, the first number that is given. So it means that yes, your subtraction is right. So now here 5 6 6 2, 2 5 2 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1, 6 minus 2 is 4, 6 minus 5 is 1, 5 minus 2 is 3. Now we will write this difference here, 3 1 4 1. Now we have to add 2, 2 plus 4 6, 5 plus 1 6 and 2 plus 3 5. As you can see here that we have got the same number here, first number 5662 5662. So it means that yes, it is correct. So we have done this verification part. Now I have given you all these parts, 4.2 D, E, F, G, H, I as your homework. You can do it by yourself as you have done many questions like this. Okay, bye bye students.